You are welcome to this teaching, and this is the publishing school of Zaripa Publishing and nowbooks.com.ng. Now what I'm going to show you in this particular video is how you can download a lecture on udemy.com. Udemy.com is an online course platform. This is where professionals put their video teachings so that they can be able to sell or teach students free of charge. It's a very popular online course platform. Now if you have bought a course on udemy.com and after getting to the course page you want to download a lecture, this is what I want to show you. It's very simple and I want you to follow me as I do it. Now you take your cursor. This is the you can decide to download any type of lecture. You come to course content, you click on it. Now you scroll down. This is how you can scroll down to see all the lectures. Now I have about 9 lectures in this particular course. Let's assume I want to download the course lecture 9. So you click on it, click on lecture 9. Now you can see it's loading. Now I don't have to allow it to play, so I can pause. Now you come to settings. You can see, come to settings, you click on it, then you come to download lecture. Now you can see the lecture is downloaded to your computer or to your mobile phones. Now let me inform you that it is the chance to download a lecture on udemy.com depends on the teacher or the owner of the course, because during the time of publication the owner of the course has an option to either allow a lecture to be downloadable or not, even though Udemy wants a certain percentage of lectures in a course to be downloadable. Now thank you very much. I believe you have enjoyed this teaching. Please, I want you to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you very much.